I Am Academy Cash Trap Lesson. How to use Cash Trap to win 3 trades in a row. I wanted to sell Great Britain pound Australian dollar for $9.70 or more. That's shorthand for 1.78970. Cash Trap told me to put and to enter the trade at $9.70 or more. How did Cash Trap know that? Let's watch the trade and then I'll tell you. I put at 973. I want to close beneath that 973 line. Some time passed. It closed at 952 and I won the trade. This is how you decide how much your trade should be. For a put, this would be 141 or more. For a call, it would be 141 or less. To get a job teaching at I Am Academy, the educators must have a track record of winning at least 70% of their trades. It is my guess that a person could have a 70% success rate by using the 7-point system. To get your success rate up into the 80s, I recommend you go into the I Am Academy archives and watch lots of Matthew Thayer teaching videos. The 7 points are currency strength meter, red or green arrow, price at bottom or top Bollinger Band, price at resistance, that's red, or support, that's green lines, an S or a B on stochastic meter, now this is a rare occurrence, stochastic indicator overbought or oversold, RSI indicator overbought or oversold. Let's go over those points one at a time. The first one is currency strength meter. Look at the 2 currencies in the pair. If the first one is larger than the second one, we're wanting a call. If the second one is larger, we want a put. Well, the first is larger. This does not line up with the put arrow, so there is no point. Look at the put arrow. This lines up with put under type in the alert panel, so that's 1 point. Look at the upper Bollinger Band. In that area, things have been overbought. Now they're ready to sell. When the arrow is within the Bollinger Band, it is definitely time to put. So that's another point. Look at the resistance line. That's just barely above the put arrow. So the put arrow will very likely not go through it. So that's 1 point. Look at the S. There's just a few, maybe 10 minutes ago, there's S, which means sell, which means put. So there's a point for that. Look at the stochastic line. It looks like it may have gone too far and I would not give it a point. Here's the RSI. Has gone above the dotted line and down through it and just barely down. So that's another point. That's 5 points. So we have a put trade using 1% of our brokerage account. That's exactly what I did, and I won the trade. Let's go to my brokerage account and look at the recent history of my closed trades. Select closed and the date of those first 3 trades I alluded to at the beginning of this video. Here they are. As you can see, I won all 3 trades. In the process, I increased my brokerage account by 2.2%. Let's make a spreadsheet to see what would happen if we invested 3 times a week for a year. Enter the amount in your brokerage account in the first cell of your spreadsheet. Write a formula that would increase the brokerage account by 2.2%. The formula is equals, parentheses, 1.022 times whatever is in the cell above, enter parentheses. Then you click your green check mark. With each trade, you invest 1, 2, or 3% of the amount of money in your brokerage account. If you trade 3 days a week, you will increase your $649 initial investment to $18,943 within a year. To learn much more about using I Am Academy to learn how to trade Forex, go to daytradingforex.club.